你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the introduction to Chinese pronunciation, the initial F. What's the initial sound? It's the consonant. There are 23 Chinese consonants in the Hanyu Pinyin system. Make sure you watch our previous videos so you will have a better understanding of the Chinese syllable. When you see the English letter F in Pinyin, the pronunciation is F. It's like the F in the English word fight. When you pronounce the F sound, gently bite your lower lip with your upper teeth and push the air out from your front teeth. Try it. F. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. F. 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 Pronunciation exercise for F sound. Let's combine the initial F, the final and the high pitch first tone all together. F, fa. Repeat after me. F, fa. Fa, fa, fa. Fa is to distribute in Chinese. Pronunciation exercise for F sound. Let's combine the initial F, the final A, and the high pitch first tone all together. F, A, fei. Repeat after me. F, A, fei. Fei, fei, fei. Fei is to fly in Chinese. Quiz time. When you see the English letter F in Pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is F. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.